Nah. You know Daddy's car? It's almost like Daddy's car. Watch out for this car. This car driving a little fast. Let's look at this car right here. He's warming it up right now. That's the gas. Remember, that's what you did, remember? Yes. Yo, so this a heads up race against an all-motor car?
Yeah.
Woo! How y'all feeling?
I don't have no data on the street, but
first time on the street.
You know, on the street. So we're gonna test it out, see what it does. Small pop, you know what I mean?
Okay. Little friendly race. Got you.
We gamble a little bit here and there, you know what I mean? I think we should be alright.
We guaranteed to confirm that they M5.
Oh no! Listen, they gotta be only on M5. They have to. I spoke to him. He can't be on Nitro. He on Nitro, there ain't no race.
Like a check yall over here.
You know what I mean?
I'm not going word of mouth. Is there any way we could check it out?
I don't have nothing to test it with.
Yeah, I should look.
Come on, bro. How am I gonna lie about it? If the car's on Nitro, you guys gonna smell it. You know how it's Nitro smell like.
I'll take your word for it. Like I said, I'm already on that. You know what I mean? I think, heads up, I got no data on that car, on the street.
Me neither.
You lie, you ran with this nigga. That shit ran good.
one pass, it didn't even,
No, but the car still went on the pass. You hear the pass. The pass was a good pass. I'm gonna tell you. I'm on a turbo car that has.
That would have been a good run.
I can't even tell you what it's gonna do.
That? Yeah, but I know what that's. I mean, we know.
At the track, it's something different.
Yeah, we
I can't tell you what it's gonna do.
I got a turbo car. I'm definitely running faster than me at the track. Come on.
We're on the street.
Fucking parachute in the back.
There's no parachute. It looks good. It just looks good.
It looks cute.
But there's nothing there.
Yeah, it looks cute.
It's just you know the structure, but there ain't no parachute.
Right there is a car. Come on, man.
It looks good. It's all looks. It's not.
It's cute.
It's not to the point where I need it yet. I just had it just in case. I like to have more than what I need. When it comes down to it,
I have a turbo car. I know what it runs. It's easy to run with the turbos.
Listen, let me tell you something. The all-motor cars
They move.
racing a turbo car, it's a race. You know, it's a race, and bro, you can't sleep on these cars, on these all-motor cars. Bro, my launch. You know what I mean? He's gonna 60-foot the fuck out of me. At the line, he's gonna, and I gotta chase.
Yes.
So, but on the top,
the chase is no problem.
43 pounds is
what's there to guarantee me to be like, I'll see your top? You know what I mean? 43, I'm on a stock sleeve block.
I said the same thing to everybody.
I swear to God. I swear to God. 43.
I'm on 32. You're gonna tell me you're not at least 30.
They said 43.
I got an LSV Tech and I got
LSV Tech on a stock sleeve. On a stock sleeve.
I got a stock sleeve. Let's go. Let's do it. A car, we're good.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Whatever you want to put up. Y'all trying to rob me.
I spoke before y'all came.
Yeah, but I told him I wanted something.
No, but then you said heads up, small pot. I agree to that. Listen, small pot is we was on a gentleman conversation, and I think that's fair. You know what I mean?
Do it like that. That's cool. I'll take the can.
You got a rocket here in the tin can.
Ain't no rocket. You got a fucking rocket over there. It's turbo car. Yo, listen. I'm gonna talk to you. We do a heads up, small pot. Okay. We're good to go.
Alright. Let's do the test.
All we doing? Burnout and go.
Burnout and go.
That's it.
Fuck it, we can do that.
I can't do a burnout test launch. I can't do all that.
We can work. We can work at that. So we got 5. So that brings out about 1450. What do you think?
1450? Yeah. All right. Let me see what I can come up with.
Let me know.
I got you.
If your car was up to my car, you would not be here.
Why not?
Because you wouldn't.
I like to race. I used to race.
You like to race, but all right, but we're not gonna sit here and
go home on the drawing board. Next time I'm gonna get you. But right now, that turbo car over there, that needs a car right there with this.
I'm gonna untest the car. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm already taking a hell of a gamble because the car is not tested. Bro, I can't tell you what the car's gonna do on the at the street. I can't tell you that.
I can tell you. We can go right over there. I'll tell you exactly what's going to happen.
Listen, that's
so nobody can hear it.
No, that's fine. Listen, you probably got more experience than I do, but I can when I speak with my car, I speak for my car.
And the other.
Hard motor at heart.
I am Ty Boogie.